Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Laterite in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for making aluminum, which can then also be processed to make something like an oxygenator and other materials and items. So to begin, Laterite can be found on every planet. You can see all planets, and it can be found inside of caves. So with your mining tool in hand, go ahead and inside of a cave find these kind of structures, which are going to be these blue and reddish discs. When you aim at them, it should say Laterite. So just go ahead and pick it up with your mining tool in hand, and this can be found on every planet, as I've said. So you can just stay on the starting planet and go inside of caves and gather as many as you need. So this is pretty much all how to get Laterite in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.